Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player. So, let's say you listen to music in Apple Music, just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the latest version for this application and update it if you haven't. It can fix this problem. Next step is to check if you have the latest software version for your earbuds. Go to the Creative app and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu, or maybe you see this one, but usually it opened previous. So anyway, if you see this one, just tap at your earbuds. Then go to the settings at the right top, and at the second line we have firmware version. Tap at this line and click check now. It check for updates. Firmware version is the same as software. So it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it, and I recommend it to do this. Next step is to restart your phone. I use these earbuds with a phone, so I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and don't close the case. Open the lid. At the bottom we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light flashed red 5 times. So press and hold. It can start blinking red and blue, or flashing red and blue. It's okay. So the most important is to wait until it blinked 5 times. Now we had it. So you can release your finger, and now we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth. But right now I have iOS 26 and it doesn't work on iOS 26. On iOS 26 we need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, but maybe they will fix it in the future, and when you watching this video it already fixed, so try to do this first. Now, after factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so just tap on them at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!